Refreshing, right?
Masarap! Nagtititigan!
Oh my God!
Honestly, I'll speak for myself, masaya ako sa nangyayari ngayon. Wala kaming pinipilit. We're gonna go with the flow, and wherever the flow takes us, we'll go there. Chick, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for giving me another chance.
Anong
Yun na.
chance?
Chance to be a father
Ayos.
again.
Okay.
And whatever's happening, masaya ako. And just know that I always got you. I got you.
Mr. B, Cras, ayan, thank you so much, ayan, thank you sa'yo sa oras mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para kay Katie, ayan, sobrang na-appreciate namin. Mahal na mahal kita at gagawin ko lahat for you. So, yan lang. I'm always here for you.
Casey, mahal na mahal ka namin. Alam mo yan. And whatever you need, Mom and Dad will always be here for you. And we'll see you when we get home.
Hey, Trans Global in the house! Check! Thank you. Cheers, everybody. Friends! Cheers po. Check! Kailangan nyo to. Beats.
Hawak niyo ang beats.
Hawak nyo ang beats.
Father's Day daw.
Thank you. Hi, Fam Bam!
Kamusta kayo dyan? Nasa likod ko na. Oh my gosh.
Take this
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Sobra.
My next part. Of Catherine's Global Hong Kong.
Wow, what's that?
Star.
What?
Hong Kong. Galing
What?
Hong Kong.
Seryoso?
Yes po.
Grabe.
Hong Kong.
Whoa. Whoa. What? Wow. sorry. I'm sorry.
May guitar, so may ukulele.
Wow naman. Grabe. Puro instruments. Oh, thank you. Cute. Oh, thank you, Fam Bam. I will learn how to play this.
Sir Chris, ang Singapore, certification of registration sa inyong tatlo, na may isa ka daw, ikapangatlo ka daw na sa star na naka-register sa Singapore.
What?
Discard kasi para sa inyong tatlo yan. Certification of registration.
We own a star?
Yes.
Wow. We have our own star?
Singapore chapter.
What?
Thank you so much, Singapore chapter.
Yes. Luis, kaso lang natin.
Seryoso?
Then, and next,
Wow.
meron na Caterings Global, United Kingdom.
What?
Hindi ko alam kung saan
UK?
na to sa inyong dalawa.
Ooh, black diamonds.
Cebu chapter.
Uy, dried mango. Ang sarap niyan. Fruit balls.
Cebu chapter. Ang dami ko na namang pagkain.
Message dun sa ano.
Oh, look at that. Thanks, guys.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh. At mail na ko.
Ay, nako, si Mami D.
Oh, ang cute naman nun. Oh. Cute naman. Unboxing na. Whoa. Ooh.
Wow.
White, para clean.
Yes.
Thank you, Mami Deeds.
For Kiki daw to, anonymous daw to.
Ah.
Anonymous, ano.
Whoa!
Anonymous yan.
Anonymous.
5,000?
5,000, Katie. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Kasi yan.
Thank you po.
Light?
It's a light. Oh.
Palalagay mo dyan. Cute.
Ito yung night light, no? Such a wonderful and rare father. Thank you, Ate Arlene.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. Small gift for Ashley, yung call nyo kanina. So,
May you always know how much you are appreciated, admired, and loved. Grabe! Katie, Mr. B, Miss B. Magic. Oh, it changes. Oh.
Yung kulay? Ito.
Ako to.
Picture mo to eh.
binagpalit ko nila.
Para pag nag-inom ka, mukha ako lalabas. I love you guys! Ikaw to eh. Para yung lips ko pag nag... Ganun pala mag-coffee, no?
Thank you, Althea. Wow.
Okay. Wow! Para daw hindi mo dumikit yung hash brown sa pan. Mr. B. Alright.
Cute. Ang ganda.
One step at a time. Thank you, Althea. Oh, yun. Hey. Thank you. I got you, Mr. B. Oh. Ganda ng mug mo.
Maganda yung sayo.
You have a keychain too. And this one's for Katie. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ito ka last.
Thank you, Fam Bam. You know. Superior. I think this is for Katie, Miss B. Manifesting California.
Paano? Wala nang visa.
I got you.
Happy Father's Day!
Thank you. Salamat.
Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you.
Gawa niyo yun? Love you. Thank you. Check. Syempre, when I talk to her, I need to look in her eyes. Just so happens that she has beautiful eyes, you know? Actually, when you stare deep into her eyes, I'm trying to figure out kung anong kulay talaga yung mata niya. Kasi parang black siya, tapos the more you look at it, it's like gray. As it turns brown, hazel, grayish, so... But they're beautiful. Ito, kain ka nito. Gusto ko pag kumakain siya ng sapin-sapin.
Sapin.
Yes.
Try. Liit lang, Chris.
Kaya kasi one was yung picture, nasa stage ako, nakatalikod, tapos hawak ko si Lyric tsaka si Katie. Parang
Kumukuha lang tayo ng dessert.
Parang isa yun sa mga dream ko na nasa stage kasama ko si Lyric tsaka si Katie. Basta, pinaiyak niyo ako. But I love you, God. Thank you.
Pag umiyak mag-ice cream ka na lang.
I'm getting peanut butter and chocolate.
Vanilla, chocolate. Ay, munggo. Masarap ba yung munggo?
So it's sweet.
Ice cream? Na-try mo na ba yung munggo?
It is. It's actually really good.
Basil?
It's, you taste the
Konti
basil
lang.
first, but it's refreshing after. Refreshing, no? Try it.